Hey, welcome to Good Shuffle Pro. I'm so excited that you reached out to learn more about our powerful and intuitive event software. I'm Mallory, and as a former event manager, I love meeting with new clients, helping them see how Good Shuffle Pro can streamline and scale their businesses. Let's get started with a quick tour so you can see how events flow through our software. We're getting started on our projects page. This is where you'll centrally track all the information related to your events. Projects are just what we refer to your events, stagings, or bookings. See how Good Shuffle Pro color codes the status of each project? Whether you're working on a new proposal, have sent pricing off to the client for approval, need to track changes on a contract being reviewed by the client, or have a signed contract that's good to go. The bright colors make it obvious where things are in your sales cycle, and the information below makes it easy to sort and filter, so you have everything centralized in one place. For example, let's look at this event for Andy's reunion party. Look how I can easily see when the last time I sent Andy a quote, followed up with him, and even when he opened that message. You'll never second guess whether you followed up on a quote or have to remember if a payment is overdue with these easy sort payment status indicators. You can even see how things are going in regards to executing the event, like when things are loaded up on your truck, dropped off at the event site, and picked up. This entire view is customizable though, so you can absolutely populate it with the information that matters most to you. Can't you just feel how simple and organized things are? This means nothing is going to slip through the cracks. Next, I want to show you how quick and easy it is to create and send a new quote or contract from Good Shuffle Pro. By the way, our software is completely mobile friendly, so you can always do this on the go, whether it's from another job site, the sideline of a kiddo's extracurricular activity, or even from your couch streaming Netflix. Our users tell us they save about a day's worth of work per week on the proposal building side alone, and it's easy to see why. All your details related to each individual event are right here. Good Shuffle Pro is super intuitive, and the clean look and feel is more than just pretty to look at. This is what makes it crystal clear where you should click for each of our powerful features. For example, if I want to know more about my relationship with Bravo TV, I just click on the name and immediately access more information about the company. Look how I set terms and conditions that auto apply when I work with them, and even assign them a discount. This way, I never forget when creating new orders for Bravo or any other VIP clients for that matter. I can also manage different employees within the company. Here I've got a rundown of all the events we've ever executed together and proposals or pricing I've sent the client over the years. I can see just how valuable of a client Bravo TV is to me and quickly store reference documents, like a client's logo or tax-exempt certificate. Just so you're aware, these details are also available on individual contacts and venues as well. As we take a look at the quote I put together for Jason and Bethany's wedding, notice how I divided my proposal into a couple different sections. On this proposal, I've chosen to break things up by what's happening on the event site, so it's clear to Bethany what items go where. I can even customize groupings of items so I don't have to show detailed pricing for every single item. Totally up to you how you want to do this. Good Shuffle Pro is super flexible. We want to empower you to do what's best for you and your clients. Before I send this off, notice how I've got a couple caution alerts. These show me I might not have enough inventory to fulfill my needs. But with our color coding system, we provide total clarity on why this conflict occurs so that you can decide what's next for your business. Want to make plans to subrent these items so you don't lose out on either opportunity to win business? You can do that in Good Shuffle Pro. You could also choose to purchase more inventory closer to the event date, if that makes sense, or even swap this out for a similar piece of inventory. Doesn't it just feel nice to have options? Now that my quote is in order, let's send this off to Bethany and walk through her customer experience. As I pull up Bethany's email, You'll notice it's branded to my fake event company, Event Masters, but you'll be able to customize this with your logo to create a seamless brand experience for your client. Good Shuffle Pro's product team has intentionally designed this process to make things super simple for your clients, which ultimately means you get paid faster. And we see this across the board. 50% of contracts sent through Good Shuffle Pro end up getting signed and deposit paid within 5 minutes of being sent. Pretty amazing. As soon as the contract has been signed and paid, Good Shuffle Pro automatically updates and records this information within the project. Our built-in merchant service provider automatically captures Bethany's credit card information to protect you. Perhaps Ramona gets a little rowdy and spills red wine on your vintage sofa. You can charge the card on file without having to chase down that payment from Bethany. Now that Bethany has signed her contract and paid her deposit, let's jump forward in time to the week of the wedding and prep everything to go out the door. The digital pull sheet has photos to ensure we all pull the right items, and if I'm working with some teammates or part-time helpers, they can even see important notes from me so that we get everything just right for the client. Here you can set automatic task reminders so that every detail is taken care of on time. And if you happen to not be able to make it to the event site come event day, your delivery crew can send a photo of the event setup so you know everything went according to plan. Here we save each version of the contract so you have a record of any and all changes, and you can drag and drop other files in here, like ground plans or event diagrams, to access that information all in one place. So much happens when planning and executing an event. Imagine how nice it would be to have all this information that sometimes ends up in a notebook forgotten at an event site, or even just information that lives in your head, stored centrally in a place that you'll never lose and always have access to. Welcome to Good Shuffle Pro. Bethany and Jason's wedding is clearly a fun and quick example of how an event can flow through Good Shuffle Pro, but I've certainly not accounted for everything that happens in your day-to-day. Nor have we barely scratched the surface on some of our most powerful integrations, like our client email tracking, website integration, QuickBooks Online integration, and direct Google Calendar integration. I'd love to get some time on the books this week, maybe even tomorrow, to chat through your specific needs and how Good Shuffle Pro can help you grow and scale your business. You can see our team's real-time availability at pro.goodshuffle.com/demo, or you can reach out to me directly, Mallory@pro.goodshuffle.com.